What is up, guys? I hope you're doing well. Got an important one for you today. We are doing some gear cleanup. Just got off the beach. My rods, my reels, they are disgusting. But what you're gonna learn in this video, it's gonna make your equipment last a very long time. I mean, I'm a perfectionist. I want my stuff looking good. I mean, we spend a lot of money on fishing gear, so we want it to last. We want it to stay in like new condition, so check this out. Alright, so the first step is to soak your rods and reels with fresh water. I mean, I'm just pouring the fresh water to the line. I mean, a lot of salt water gets sucked up in that braid, so we really want to soak it in fresh water. And just totally get all the rods and reels just wet. Go all the way up to the tips on them. Alright, next step is soap them up. Alright, what you want to do, get a little dish soap, get you a wet rag, so that's what I'm using, but Dawn or anything like that works real good. Next, get your rod, soap it up real good, go around the eyes, and that's all you got to do. So I'm going to do this for every rod. I mean, I don't spend a whole lot of time on it, but that soap, I mean, it knocks all the salt off and it keeps everything looking real good. As far as on the reel itself, just give it a good little wipe. And that's it. And the last part to this, just wash it off, let the sun dry it, and your rod and reel is gonna stay looking brand new for a long time. So I mean, it's that simple. That's all I do. Now, if I do get a lot of sand in my reel and I know there's a bunch, I'll break it down, clean it real good, but I mean, my reels never hit the sand unless an accident happens. Then I'll break it down, but I mean, I'll break it down twice a year just to clean it real good. But that's all I do. Alright guys, that is going to do it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. I know it's kind of a quick one, but we do have a real good surf fishing video coming up on the channel. If you're new here, I invite you to subscribe. Y'all keep God first in your life. We'll see you next time. Take care.